what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. It's dyno day. Today we are just having fun. I mean, we have fun every dyno day, but today is one of those days where we just get to sit back, relax, and enjoy where we've come in terms of engine displacement, technology, pick your name. But this is the 1993 black on black coupe that we featured in the Scrapyard Rescue video that is live on the channel. It is roughly 2 hours long. It is an absolute great watch. I recommend you go check that one out. We'll leave a link to it down below in the video description. But in that video, towards the end, whenever Brandon and I are taking it for a ride, we mentioned dyno in the car. Well, we need to dyno this car. I think I have it on the list. Here we are. We're gonna dyno this thing. Again, 2.3 liter, 4-cylinder Fox body. This has the A4LD transmission, which is a 4-speed light duty transmission. Factory drive shaft, 373 rear gear, and that is a 16-inch pony wheel. I don't know the tire size. Can I look real quick? 225, 55, 16. That is a 16-inch pony wheel with the 225, 55, 16 tire. We have 87 octane fuel in the tank. Timing's good. It's had all the typical tune-up stuff done to it. Whenever we kind of first redid everything in the mechanical aspect before we went down the rabbit hole of dressing the entire car. I don't need to sit here and talk all day for this one. I believe the 4-cylinder cars in 1993 were rated at about 105 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. Y'all sit back, relax, and this is gonna take a few seconds to get where we need to get in terms of the pull, but we'll make sure straps are tight, we'll make it happen. All right, people, let's take a look at some numbers on the old black coupe. It is making 74.5 horsepower at 4,500 RPM and 91.7 pound-feet of torque at 3,800 RPM. Now, you probably do the math, do the drivetrain calculation. No, that probably doesn't calculate. We did pull it in second gear because the older school transmissions can't hold third gear, which would be 1-to-1 in this car. But again, we're not gonna get too critical. We're not gonna get too scientific with it. 75 horsepower car. And it's crazy to think that how far we've come in terms of technology, the whole 9 yards. Because even this thing merging on the freeway, when Brandon and I were driving it, we didn't get on the freeway. Driving around town, you know, coming out of a stop sign or something like that, it was like, come on, you know, get going. Especially compared to the stuff that we drive today. And then when, you know, you think of a car like this and you put Mustang and economy in the same sentence, you know, it's like, do they even belong there together? But this is a survivor car. Black on black coupe, the condition it's in, it's pretty immaculate considering, you know, the whiskey dents, the paint fade and things like that. But at its core, the bones, the structure of this car, is as solid as it gets. It's like anything that has sat for a period of years, going to need all the things if you want to get it to the point of, you know, fully restored or in a better condition than what it's in. The work we did to this thing, complete turnaround. We had the whole interior out, cleaned the underside, cleaned the engine bay, corrected the paint. Great turnaround. Again, go check that video out. For those of you that like long videos, you like cool before and after shots, it's all there for you. I'm telling you, you're really gonna enjoy that video, geek out and nerd out over what we did to this car. So there you go. We're gonna sign off. As always, if y'all find value in what we do, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. For all things Fox Body, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.